In today's video I am going to be showing you a exercise that I really like. It's a really good exercise to add to your routine, to add to your warm-up. So try it this month, add it to your routine. It is an exercise that is going to, help you warm up softly, but also it's a really good exercise to improve your range. And it is divided in two parts. In the first part we're going to go down in the range, and in the second part we're going to be going up in the range. But hey, if this is the first time we meet, my name is Raphael. On this channel we talk a lot about brass playing, trombone playing in particular. We do some arrangements, we do some equipment reviews and so on. So if this is interesting to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. So let's just play the exercise. I'm going to show it to you. If you would like to receive those exercises, all of the exercises and arrangements that I make, please visit my Patreon page. And what is cool is that when you subscribe to my Patreon, you not only get the exercises, but mostly you get a one-on-one feedback. So you play the exercises, you send them to me, and I give you some feedback straight away by email. And it's kind of like having a one-on-one lesson, but on the long term, with all the exercises and etudes and so on that I distribute to you guys. So I will link it below. And now let's just go straight to the exercise. Here's how it goes. After you get to this point, when we get to the E, you have three different possibilities. If you play a tenor trombone with no F attachment, please play it by bending the note. I'm going to show you now. If you do have an F attachment, then do both. Do the first one bending the note, so not pressing on the valve, and the second one pressing on the valve. And then with the valve. That was without the valve. That was with the valve. That was without the valve. Without the valve. That was actually with two valves, and you continue going down as low as you can. We get to the pedal note and we continue. etc., etc. So this is a really cool exercise, and the point of this exercise is going gradually down in the low register, not shifting or anything. So you go down, you take this octave, and then you just slide your way through. At first, if you have difficulties playing those low notes, then just really slide them. So like, and try to stay stable here. Try to keep the embouchure solid. The next part of the exercise is going up to the high register. And again, if you have problems with the high register, I have problems today breathing because I've had some spring allergies. But here's how it goes. So you start on that E natural, and once you finished it, you can play a pedal note. Just to set back everything, right? And then we continue one semitone higher. And again a semitone low, higher, this time starting on F sharp. What you can do also, if you have problems playing those notes, is immediately start with the lower position so that you can slide yourself up. I'm going to show you in the next exercise, so in the next example. So instead of starting that G on the high second position, go back to the fourth position so that you can really gliss those notes. I'm going to do it again. Of course, you can continue. We're to the high B. Let's continue. Don't hesitate to rest. It's actually a little bit hard because I'm talking in between. Don't talk, like concentrate, rest for 10 or 15 seconds and then get to the next one. That was to the high D. Let's try the E flat. Can we do the E flat today? Try it. If it doesn't come, then it's okay. But try it and keep your good position. Don't press too much on your embouchure. One last one, so to the high E. Can we go to the high E? I'm not sure if I can go to the high E. Let's try it. not very good, is it? But at least I'm keeping my embouchure. Now, if you want to go higher and you just want to change and switch, and I've seen some YouTube videos on like switching and shifting and moving and pinching and squeezing, you know, like it's meaningless because it's just a little squeak and you don't need a little squeak. What you want to do is to build your range. I'm gonna come here so that you can see a little bit. This is my high F, my low F, my pedal F. You see, it's the same. And what we're going to work on in the next few videos is on going up and down some arpeggios so that you can really keep that embouchure solid. That's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed, please put a thumbs up. If you've not, then please leave me a comment or a recommendation or whatever so I can do better next time. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And again, if you want those PDFs with those exercises, I will link them. I will link below where you can get them. So have a nice day, have a nice practice, add this exercise to your routine, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Ciao.